Okay, that bolt right there goes through here, through that little bracket there. And this right here goes up here, right here. That goes, I believe, right here-ish. And then those two go together down there. So I ended up taking off the bolt with a 3/4 inch impact Milwaukee. So now I'm just removing the harmonic balancer here. I rented this tool from O'Reilly's, and it's coming off nice and slow. There's my mark that I made, and it's here's the edge. So yeah, it's coming out nice and slow. I need to use 2 hands right now though. Alright, and there she is. I don't know about these the seal there. Like if you look on this side here, look at that. I don't want to peel any more of that off. I don't know how it's supposed to be. I mean, it seemed fine, but see, like this side seems more flush than this side. Obviously you can tell right there, look at that. So I'm gonna look into that and see. Hopefully I don't have to replace it. If I do, I have another parts, well, it's not parts, but another wagoneer sitting around the corner with a seized engine that hopefully has a good harmonic balancer if I have to change that. But yeah, there she is. So now I can finish taking off the timing cover. Just a couple more bolts. I should be good to go. Alright, so I just took the fuel pump off right there. I think I have only 4 more bolts left. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 4, I think. Check it out. But I'm gonna take the distributor out right now. I have it marked, and I mean, obviously this only fits on one way, so that doesn't really matter. But I did that, and then if I take the cap off, I marked in permanent marker where top dead center is, and then where like 12 degrees before is. This is the number 1 cylinder. So you know, it's sparking right here. It's at 12 top dead center. If I were to scoot this whole thing over, if I were to scoot this whole thing over to about here, it would be at top dead center. So, and then I took a couple pictures of, you know, kind of positioning where it's at. So we'll see. This is the DUI distributor. I took the sticker off. Anyways, it looks like it's been getting some pretty good oil here. The gear looks like it's been getting oiled as well. It probably has, all in all, I don't know, a couple hours on it, but the gear looks great. This is the gear that the DUI came with. I didn't change that gear, the camshaft gear, and I didn't swap this gear out either. I left this in. So I mean, this thing looks awesome. Again, it's a couple hours, but so far, I mean, I asked online, so far everybody that has kept this gear on has had really good experiences with it. So and all the people that didn't buy the DUI, they bought something else, you know, one of those cheaper ones. This is a $350 distributor, but anyways, yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that. I mean, that looks well. I mean, it shows my engine's oiling pretty well, I guess. I wiped it right there with my finger, but all right, sweet. Yeah. Okay, so there's the little pin right there, and I think there's another one on this side somewhere. Right there. Anyways, it's butted up against the oil pan here, so I think it would be best if I remove the oil pan. Oh, I see. There's bolts that go into it. Oh, you know what? I knew about that. Let's see that happen. Maybe. Anyways, bolts go into the bottom. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Okay. There's the bolt hole right there. Okay, yeah, good thing I didn't continue to try to pry this out. Could have been bad. Okay, so just pushed it in. I need to take those bolts out, and maybe we'll set up. All right, there it is right there. And then there's one on that side too. All right, there we go. Look at that, just old baked on oil. There's the pump shaft there. I didn't take the oil filter out, I left it there. And here we go. Look at, here's the, oh, this gear. It looks pretty good. Yeah, that gear looks pretty good, okay. The fuel pump eccentric here. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, I can't tell if it's top dead center, but I'm assuming so. That looks like it's pretty in the middle. Oh, here. There you go. Look at that. Oh, it's a little off. Okay. We'll get that straightened up better. I'm gonna put that bolt back in and see if I can spin it around some. Put that there. Alright. We're getting somewhere now. Look at that. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, this gear looks actually really good. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna get a screwdriver there and see if there's a little. See, it looks a little scraped right there. Maybe I'll just buy another gear just to be safe. A set, of course. Look at that. Fuel pump eccentric. Feels okay. I don't feel any anything there. Okay, sweet. So now I just need to take this off to take the gear off, the fuel pump eccentric, and then after that I can work on sliding the timing set off, and then after that I can pull the shaft out. But before I do that, I gotta drop this stuff here. So alright, it's pretty exciting stuff.